Last 15-minute candle just wicked out so much. 6622. How's it going, guys? Long time.
Oh, there he is. Coobs.
Yes, I'm here.
There he is. There's Danny.
Chill, what up, Danny? How's it going? You made it. Are you ready to pass tonight, Danny? You got your pizza and Red Bull ready, Danny? Is we gonna go heavy for you tonight, Danny? We need 3K from you. No, but let's do it. What do you mean, Danny? What do you mean no? You're no, you know you're not allowed to say no to me. 3K tonight. We getting you 3K. We got to lock in, Danny. That Red Bull and pizza.
Okay, just making sure all the housekeeping stuff is down, down and good to go.
Oh yeah, it's following that 15-minute. 4 more minutes till a new 15-minute. Ooh, gold might look good at the upside. Really need to get over that hump of that 74 though. Is VWAP on here? VWAP is at 72.
All right. All right. What are you thinking, Coos? What are we doing?
What are we doing? What are we doing? I low key like longs, but let's see. And both 15-minute candles. Can't tell if they wicked because I got the London low box. I can't tell if those are wicks or not. But we keep projecting off that 20 EMA on that 72.3. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let it cook. So the 4 hour
Yo,
support,
what
we
up,
have that
TikTok? What up? What up?
46
What up? What up?
level, and then our resistance, if we're breaking it by frame, is that 89 level. Not able to break from the 89. What are we doing? What are we trading? We are trading gold tonight. Hopefully we can catch a trade chat. And our co-host is Icebag tonight, ladies and gentlemen. So do not ask me to co-host with you tonight. Our co-host is Icebag. Hopefully we can catch a trade. Let's see what the night brings us. What are you seeing, Icebag?
Nothing. Right now, nothing.
Nothing. Right now, nothing.
What does TikTok think?
Yo, up to
Longs or short?
1,000 on the first funded. Should I take 1K or try to scale my account? Bankroll, try to get the max payout first and then try to add more payouts. That's what I would do. And it depends on what accounts you have.
Yeah, get the max and then
Get
give it to me.
exactly what Icebag said. Get the max payout. And
Get the max payout and then give it to me.
Max payout. Top set funded. Welcome, Bankroll. Make sure we get 10,000 likes on the stream tonight, guys. We're really counting on you. Couple Galaxies, couple Tigers, couple Lions, couple PS5s wouldn't hurt as well. So like the stream, follow us. We have the Discord link for free in the bio.
I don't see anything just yet. Yo, I appreciate the follow. Appreciate you guys. All right, let's see. I mean, if we look at these levels, it's the previous day high, previous day 50, previous day low. We have yet to really engage in anything. I think at this point we've been lingering around the prior day 50. This could go either way, to be honest. It can go either way. I'm looking at gold right now. Skirta and what you think? What? How much am I in profit? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Zip. Nada. Nothing yet. Trying to see if we can catch something here. What model do I trade? Candle closures and structure. So like just throwing something out there right now. If I was looking long, I would want to see, higher lows be put in. But the way this is looking, it doesn't look promising. Sorry, dude, I have no idea what that is. Is that a meme coin? If that's a meme coin, you're in the wrong place, bro. Yo, what up? What up, TikTok? What up? What up? Well, let's see if we can catch a banger here. It's best to perfect one trading model, right? Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. I mean, typically, let me say this, at the beginning of the year, I was getting my nuts kicked in, trading the same exact thing, and then I didn't give up on it. If anything, I just kept at the same model until eventually I just had a really good 2-3 months off of it. So it's best to not give up on a strategy for sure. Yeah, I mean, gold just doesn't look it doesn't look promising just yet. I mean, we've been at the prior day 50 for every low that we make, we keep going back up, getting close to making a new high, but we just get slammed down only to start working our way up. Look the way we are right here. We got close to making a new high. This is the high of this range. We got close to making a high right there and right there. And instead, we just got slammed back down. Let's see if this is going to be it, or are we just going to come right back down? What prop firm? This is a Top Step. Top Step. I made enough profit on my 2 funded accounts to secure a payout. Today, I secured a $2,000 max payout with Lucid, and then I secured it's not max payout. It's like about 1,500. If I did the calculations correct there, 1,500 with my funded futures. So I'm good. I'm good. Now I'm trying to see if we can catch a little bit more here. Is Top Step pretty good? Yeah, I would recommend them. They got a little bit strict. They got a little bit strict, but I would still recommend them. I made 4K today off my paper trading. Congrats. I mean, that's the start. Paper trading is the start. I mean, technically, with like Top Step and prop firms, you're technically doing the same, except you can move into a funded and then it counts at that point. 4K? That's crazy, man. Yo, what up, TikTok? Welcome in. Welcome in. Trying to catch a trade here. Might not catch anything the way it looks like, but let's wait until midnight my time. What happens if you lose all the funded money? Then you start over. You start over. You start over from square one. As starter, better do
Are we gonna
demo
get
until
rejected off here
profitable.
again, Ice Bay, at that
Um,
73 level.
Honestly, like, yeah, they say demo trading is
Good job.
probably best so you can get familiar with it. But me personally, the way I did it is I just went right to it. I started depositing until I
By the
found
way,
prop
as
firms.
far as the news,
And prop firms has been the best way for that same reason, because you got to think about it too. Like with futures, it requires a little bit more. So just think about a 50K combine that costs, you know, it costs so little compared to actually losing 50K of your actual money. So what would you prefer there? How long have you been trading? I've been trading for futures. I just surpassed a year. Wait, if you buy a funded account, like, doesn't it give you 50K to start with? and you keep the money on. So yeah, you get a 50K, but technically you're only allowed to lose $2,000. So technically it's a $2,000 account. What you make off of it. So far in prop firms, I'm at like $47,000 in payouts. I mean, not much, but it's a start. You know, it's not much, but it's honest living. Well, technically, I'm not full time with trading. No, let's get that right.
We're
But
not stuck in this job.
I made some change. What you make off? Yo, up 2K on my first express. Should I take my payout or try to scale account? Bankroll, bro. You just asked that in cartels. I just heard Coops answer you, bro. Give me that money, man. I'm telling you. Get max payout and then toss it over.
With us tonight. How's it going, chat?
If I traded $5, how much will I gain? If you trade $5, you know what you're gonna gain off of that is the market's gonna hand you a
I'm gonna grab coffee, chat. I'll be right back.
a lollipop, or the market's gonna hand over a, I don't even know how to word it. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate the follows, guys. Appreciate you guys. Nothing. Honestly, bro, just Venmo me that $5, bro. Just Venmo me. Venmo me. Or you know what? Matter of fact, spend that on a Galaxy. Spend that on a Galaxy here on TikTok. Okay, I don't want a lollipop. What about 50? 50. Put it somewhere. Yeah, I don't know, man. $50? See, what can you do with 50 bucks? You can buy yourself a Mountain Dew and a bag of Lay's. Like SSP 500. First of all, it's not SSP. About 800. That's crazy. Yo, Simba, thank you for the rose. Shay, thank you for the rose. W's. I'm dying, bro. Appreciate you guys being in here. See what we can do, man. I mean, so far it's just flat. Unknown user requests to join as a guest. No. No. Add me, bro? No. I'm a trader too. Nice, man. How much you up today? All right, guys. I need some new shoes, man. Let's see if we can get some. Let's see if I can get a trade here. I need some new shoes. I need to pay for the Wi-Fi bill to do this. I'm a trader too. What do you trade? Unknown user 722065. Bro, you're on TikTok, live interact with viewers. That's what I'm doing. I mean, unless I'm talking to myself on here, but I'm answering questions. I trade NQ and ES. What about you? I'm trading gold. What up, TikTok? What up? Are you trading micro or gold versus US? Yeah, I'm trading micro here. Micro gold. I'm trading micros because I like to scale in and scale out of my positions, so that way I'm not all in one mini. You know, if you guys were watching the markets yesterday, we popped like a few times, and then it didn't really give an opportunity. Unless if you were in a mini, you either wanted your full TP, but it just came all the way back down to your entry. Possibly, if you're thinking about what I'm talking about, is what I'm trying to get to. We had an entry, it popped a good amount. We were well in profit, but it came right back down. So with at least micros, we could scale at the top of that move and kind of, you know, scale out of it. If we want to, we can scale in, things like that. Drop some entry level trading technique. I just kind of had to stick around for that one, man. Why not change color red and green basic? See, I would. See, this is what I would do. If you want me to change colors. Because yeah, man. You want me to change colors? Let's see. Here, I'll change colors for you. Now we're guaranteed to make money. We're guaranteed to make money now. All we see is green. I just feel like it's basic. Okay, what do you drop your colors, man? Yeah, man, green is green. Oh shit, you found the method. Yeah, I found the method. Yeah, we're trying to let this marinate here, guys. We're trying to let this marinate. So far though, the way this is looking here on the 1 minute, we're getting a nice little push here that's catching my attention. We're right below the prior day 50% of the previous day candle, the daily candle. Let's see if we can see some structure get built above the prior day 50 for us to take some sort of trade there. If not, we can play the rejection off of it, possibly to these lows. But again, it's the prior day 50. It can go either way. It can go up, it can go down. If we were at the prior day low and we were seeing structure built, a little bit of a fake out to the downside, and then just kind of start building up here, I would say longs. But here, it really could go anywhere. What are the 3 lines indicating? It's the levels for the previous day levels. So no matter what, before I look at anything else, because I do a top-down analysis from the daily, then down, I do the daily candle. So you can see it's a daily candle low, 50%, and the high. So depending on how we react out of those levels is what I determine what kind of trade. I try not to get married to some sort of bias. I would rather trade what the chart is doing. What broker do you use and what's your info? I don't know about the info, but the broker I use is TopStep. This is the TopStep platform, and I'm using their trading platform and their eval account. So yeah, but anyway, if to the person that was asking what kind of entry model you were I usually do, it's this here. So as of right now, the way this is currently setting up, if I were to give some sort of idea and start molding a trade, it would be this. We put in this low. Now we just started printing a higher low. If we can sweep this high up here, I would want to see some sort of support be built at the 50% of this range here. And stop loss, no matter what, will be below there.
Yo, what up, C Figs? What up, Moscow? How you guys
Wallpaper
doing?
trading on TradingView. Nice, man. I mean, that's how you learn. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking of here. But again, we're at the prior day 50. We still don't know what it wants to do here. It could reject, or it could start building above, and we can move higher.
He's still muted.
But yeah, that's what I'm looking at here. That is the TA for now.
See him drawing on his screen.
Yo, what up? What up? What up? What up? What up, C-Fix? What up, K? What up, Moscow? What up? What up? What up?
Pace in the building too. What up?
So just like I'm telling my friends here on TikTok, I'm telling my friends here on TikTok that this could possibly be setting up for a long, just depending on the structure here above the prior day 50. The way it's pushing up looks pretty well right now, but we're at the prior day 50. It can go either way. We could reject here again, or we could start building above the 40.79.5. But we gotta wait. The new hour is so close to opening up, so let's see what it want to do.
Sounds good, bro. Mingo.
While we're waiting, just so you guys know, I have a Discord here, a free Discord that I'll let me mute myself. Just so you guys know, I have a free Discord. If you guys want to tap in real time TA, this is actually where we're hanging out. If you guys taking a trade, if you guys want to share it, let's chat about it. Yeah, man. You guys can see that. DM me for the link to it. I don't really know how to link it here on TikTok just yet, so.
TikTok, tell me what you think.
So yeah, let me know, man. Let me know.
Tell me your.
Oh, I ruined this little setup here. Okay, there we go. I got it. Show us the 5-minute real quick. Yeah, what do you want to see about the 5-minute? What do you want to see? Tell me what you want to see before I do that. It's all about timing, for sure, man. For sure.
I want to see the longs play out. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, if we can catch longs, that'd be pretty sweet.
We shall see, though.
Full port silver bullet open?
Someone full ported silver?
No, I don't know. I think that's ICT. FEG on your 50%? Your FEG open at 50%. That is the 5? No, it's the 15. FEG. No, this is the 15. So then that means, yeah, that's the 15. FEG. Just look at what NQ is doing actually.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Let me do a top down.
Nothing, bro.
Let me do a top down on NQ here. It very well could bounce from here, but what the fuck do I know? I mean, it could, dude. Like I told you, man, we're at the prior day 50. Anything can happen at that level. But look at this. Look at NQ here on the prior day 50. You can see that we're leaving behind a wick currently. 4 hour. Okay, look at this. The 4 hour, the previous 4 hour came down, came right back above the prior day 50. Is this going to be the wick we leave behind? And that's it, 20-point wick on the 4 hour. Okay, the 1 hour is supporting. You guys can start seeing that here. $30-minute, you guys can still see it's wicking. That's insinuating some sort of support at that 50, every red and green candle. You guys can see that right there. Boom, boom. It's insinuating some sort of support. 15. Same exact thing. red, green candle, and then this one here, this last 15% is insinuating some sort of support there. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean, so far, all things are pointing to a support.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. You got an ICT FEG.
ICT.
Let's see. If you are running in losses, just join my Telegram group for recovery.
Oh, Telegram is the biggest scam out there, chat. Block and mute that guy right away. Telegram.
That's crazy.
Telegram was like 30 years ago, chat. Nobody uses Telegram. That was so during COVID era.
When did you start? I started just a little bit over a year ago. I started with options trading, got my nuts kicked in, and now we're here. I found so much more success here with options.
I mean, futures.
Yeah, futures. Sorry, futures. Yeah. Let's see.
I was like, oh, you're successful.
Oh no! I got my nuts kicked in with options. Yeah, don't ask me if you're asking me about. Yeah, don't ask me anything about options trading. I'm not the guy.
About Tesla.
Yeah.
Our guy likes Tesla too much. Chat is awfully quiet today.
You doing this full time? No, man, I do not do this full time. Eventually, I would love to, yes. But right now, no. Right now, it's just a side thing.
You guys send him 500 galaxies, he will do this full time.
Yeah, if you guys, if everybody here sends me a galaxy, I'll quit my job live on stream.
Yes. Hey man, I quit my job 2 days ago for you on live.
I'm kidding. Don't do that. I'm just kidding. I won't do that.
Why? No, you're not kidding. Chat, he's not kidding.
Well, I'm actually a full-time photographer and videographer, so I'd be just stopping. I wouldn't be quitting to nobody. Shorts? Maybe. So far, right now, we're holding up above the prior day 50. So as long as we're up above that, I have reason to believe we see longs. But the new hour here at midnight, here I'm in California, we have a new hour in less than 10 minutes. So that could completely switch the whole thing. So let's see.
Just out of curiosity, chat, is anybody in gold shorts right now? If you are, let me know how that's going. I know some of you guys said you wanted to short. Let me know if you guys are in the green or not.
You know what, Todd? I have no idea. I've never received a galaxy, so I can't tell you for sure. Yo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you guys. Okay, we're on gold. We're trying to push past the prior day 50. You guys can see that there. This is the 1 minute. How long have I been doing this? Just over a year. Just over a year. I'm not the best trader out there, but you know, I know a thing or two.
being humble, chat. Very humble person. Not the best. Best in the game.
Oh my god, bro. Copy and paste. Yes, I am profitable, but not like a whole lot. I have a 99% sure signal and I have powerful scalping strategy.
Yeah. And we have a 99% win rate too. 99%. Nothing is 99% in this world.
Uh,
What's my win rate strategy?
so like I mentioned earlier, I made my profit. Like I mentioned earlier, I made my profit on my funded. I requested a payout earlier today, and I secured another payout for tomorrow, end of day, for with my funded futures. And I'm trading a combine here. So technically, oh, never mind. That joke was gonna fall flat. I was gonna say I have a 100% win rate, but I got 0%. I got 0% on the screen. Never mind. Never mind. Forget that joke. Let's see. I need to take a trade first. Okay, let's see. All right. I don't know, man. This gold, man, it's a slow grind up. It's a slow grind up. One monitor, or what's your trading desk setup? I don't think I've let me take a picture. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. No, I have two monitors though. Nice, man. I traded for 3 years, wasn't profitable, then I quit. Now I'm thinking to start again. I mean, yeah, dude. I mean, a break. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I think December, January, bro. Bro. I was getting my nuts kicked in, bro. I was like, dude, what is going on? For the life of me, bro. I just didn't know what was going on, bro. Wanted to quit, but just took a couple day break and came back, and I've been doing pretty well the last 2 months for sure. But I think breaks are for sure needed, for sure. Whether it's a couple days, a week, maybe a month. Who knows, man? It's up to you. Ready to be hurt again? Yeah, man. Yeah, help me get 300 to pass my eval. All right, man, let's see. Let's see. I've been thinking about learning trading. What got you into it? Bro, just like anybody else, you want to make money.
Want to make money, chat. He just wants the Ferrari.
Yeah, I want
That's
that.
why he's trading.
Yeah, I want the Ferrari.
He just wants a Ferrari. That's all. Once he gets a Ferrari, he'll be done. He'll be done.
All right, I got a
I'll tell
couple of
audio.
you. I got a couple of you that sent me a DM about the Discord here. I'll get you guys in here. 1 second. Okay, you guys can see that we're giving this prior day 50 a reaction. You guys can literally see that here. Now, for longs to be valid, or if I want to be interested in longs here, like I was just talking about, you guys can see that the last time we were up here, we gave this 40-point reaction off of this level. Are we going to do that again? Or are we going to stop and find some sort of support like in the, I'm just going to say the 4660s? We'll see. Only time will tell here. But what are the chances that we get slammed all the way to the to those lows? So when I start to see that kind of support be built, like in that the 50% of that range, I'm willing to try longs here with my stop below this low. First and foremost, I know exactly where I want my stop loss to be, and it's below this low. If I'm gonna enter some sort of trade, I want to see that support be built and bid gold catch a bid somewhere in the 50% of this range. And you guys can see that, you know, we put that support and then that other support right there. So let's see. And even if we do catch some sort of trade here, we still have this 50% to get through. But I'm willing to do it because we'd also be printing a higher low somewhere here. But let's see. Again, I got to play off what the chart is doing. But that's what I would like for it to happen. Is this the demo? Yeah, Combine. I guess you could say simulated funds for sure. Respect. Are you treating it like a business or side hustle? Business, I definitely want to be consistent. I don't want to get caught in a loop where I'm just, you know, combine after combine. I definitely want to be consistent. So far, these last 2 months have been pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. So if you guys in my Discord here, you guys can see this. See if you guys can see that. This is like the last 2 months. Pretty well. Again, definitely enough for me to be happy. So you guys can see that right there. Oh, damn, I messed up my setup here. Oh, yeah, let me take a picture of my setup. Take a picture of my setup. I take this short right now. I mean, who knows, dude? Again, we're still at that previous day 50. So far, it's still holding us down. Because again, right now, as of right now, it is being held down. We could just react and go lower, or we could just break through, start building support right above it, and then move higher. But again, anything can happen here. Did you study first or just jump in? Bro, I just jumped in. Like, again, everybody will tell you to just do demo, but nah, I wanted, you know, if I was going to hit something big, I wanted to actually hit it. But no, nope. I remember, you know, it's funny because we joked about Tesla, but I remember like in 20 when I first started, it was a Tesla trade that got me over $1,000 in profit, and then after that, I just I just lost it all.
So that's funny. The very first option trade that I actually took was Tesla. That was a couple years ago, and it was the very first trade that I took. Um, and I remember I made $3,700. I bought like 10 cons. I didn't really know what I was doing. I'm like, oh my god, I made all this money, thinking that I'll be able to make this money every day. So
Yeah, I mean that's everybody thinks that. I mean, you soon find out it's easy, but it's not that easy.
yeah, Tesla will either make you or break you, chat.
Good, but today I blew my $3,000 funded from Perdia. Oh man, I've been there. I've definitely blown accounts a day before a payout, man.
Oh, that's the worst feeling.
That's the worst.
Yeah.
What are you trading? This is gold. Matter of fact, now that you got me thinking about that. NQ, still ugly, but we're above the previous day 50 still. But we're leaving behind a nasty reaction here, making a new high, a lower high. It's not looking promising. Just chop right now, guys. I mean, all right, let me take a picture of my setup. Let me know if you guys can see that.
To make a move, chat. We can make some sort of move.
Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Look at that. That's me. I know I need to paint the walls if you're judging the walls. But that's what it looks like. What market am I trading? Gold. Did you have a plan or just figure it out as you went? I would say the plan was to try to learn some sort of strategy. I mean, first of all, it was like, you know, following somebody. Then it was like from strategy to strategy. I started learning the strat, the 2 up, 2 down, 1, 2s, and 3s, all that stuff. And then I just kind of went on from there. Support resistance. I very narrowed it down to just support resistance, candle structure, and candle closures. What time period? This is the 5-minute. Okay, you guys can see this. Look, we did get a reaction off the prior day 50% there, but gold is trying to catch some sort of bid. So far, could we break out of this and go higher here? You guys got to think about it. The more times price knocks, it's bound to get let in. You guys can see that we're refusing to go lower. So let's see. Is it worth a shot? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, look at this. Ooh. All right, now gold has my attention here. Gold has my attention. But I gotta be honest, TikTok, I'm a little nervous. I don't want to embarrass myself in front of you guys. Sounds like you learn fast. How would you recommend a beginner to start? Honestly, dude, just skin it in. I mean, not skin in the game, but time in the markets for sure, bro. Oh, look at this. Time in the markets, man. Dude, it's unhealthy and they'll say it, but like, I spent a lot of time. No matter what, I just kept showing up, watching videos, all this and that. Time in the markets, time. Because then eventually you start getting familiar with patterns. Like you start seeing certain things that you're like, okay, well, I've seen this before. I think, or you start to anticipate certain moves because you've seen it before. You spend so much time, you get familiar with the way the market moves, especially gold. Especially gold, bro. Because gold, it can make a 20-point move, and then within the same or the following minute, it could completely erase that move. It's so toxic like that. Okay, now we're above the prior day 50.
Relationship. It's called abusive relationship. Abu Yusuf.
Oh yeah, gold is abusive for sure.
Abu Yusuf.
Yo, what up, Nova the creator? Or yeah, Nova. What up? What up?
Yeah, this looks good to take actually.
Okay, but you guys can see what I was just talking about. We got to the prior day 50, tried reacting off of it. Buyers stepped in. Buyers are stepping in. Let's see if they can stay there though and get us higher. How long have you been doing it? Over a year. Gold, my fave X. Yeah. Yeah, you could definitely put it that way. Yo, appreciate the likes. All right, let's see. We have a new 15-minute actually in 4 minutes.
keep going. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's that slow trend up. We need a nice, clean, solid move, Chad. Keep bouncing off that 20 EMA, that 73 level, though.
Yeah.
Acting as nice support. VWAP is at that 69.8.
Forgot I'm streaming on YouTube.